Tapos na kumain, pupunta ako si William sa Mercury. Bumili daw siya ng short dito, yung dalawa, 1,000 plus. Nako. Oh. Are you done?
Yeah.
Where's your medicine?
Huh?
Where's your medicine?
In the car.
Okay.
Let's go in the store.
Oh, you want to buy some grocery?
Well,
Nice
some
dress,
stuff,
oh.
Yeah. You want a dress?
No, I look the pants. This one is good, oh. Magkano ganito, ate?
450 po.
That's better.
They're not your size?
Huh? I'm gonna buy in iMart.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
There's small one.
I want a small one. I don't like the small one.
Looks like you buy a lot. You have big cart.
Let's buy it. Hang on a minute. Don't be running away on me.
Take your time.
I'm looking